Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, don't forget hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon so you never miss an update. Today we are diving into the fascinating world of phrasal verbs. But first, what exactly is a phrasal verb? A phrasal verb is a combination of a verb and a preposition or an adverb that creates a new meaning. They are incredibly common in English, and mastering them will help you sound more natural and fluent. So let's get started. A phrasal verb is made up of a verb and a preposition or an adverb. Together, they form a new meaning that can be different from the original verb. Let's break down some common phrasal verbs with examples so you can see how they are used in real sentences. Let's look at some everyday phrasal verbs and analyze what they mean and how we use them. Breakdown. This means to stop working or to fail. It's commonly used with machines or vehicles. Example, my car broke down on the way to work. Here, broke down means the car stopped working and needs to be repaired. We often use breakdown when talking about cars, machines, or even relationships when they stop functioning as expected. Look after. This means to take care of someone or something. Example, can you look after my cat while I am away? In this example, look after means to take responsibility for the cat's care. It's commonly used when someone takes care of children, pets, or elderly people. Give up. This means to stop trying or to quit a habit or activity. Example, he gave up smoking last year. Here, give up shows that he quit smoking completely. You can use give up for anything you decide to stop doing, like a goal, a habit, or even on a difficult test. Take off. This phrasal verb has two meanings: to start flying for planes or to remove something for clothes. Example, the plane took off on time, or please take off your shoes. When we talk about planes, take off means the moment they leave the ground and start flying. But in the second example, take off means to remove shoes. Come across. This means to find or meet by chance. Example, I came across an old friend at the market. Here, come across suggests that the finding friend was unexpected. This phrasal verb is perfect for surprise encounters or discoveries. To make phrasal verbs easier to learn, let's group them by themes. For instance, let's look at some common travel and work-related phrasal verbs. First up, some phrasal verbs you might hear when traveling. Set off. This means to begin a journey. Example, we set off early to avoid traffic. Set off is often used when talking about the starting point of a journey. It implies planning and leaving at a specific time. Check-in. This means to register at a hotel or airport. Example, we checked in at the hotel at noon. Check-in means officially arriving and registering. You might hear it at airports, hotels, or even workplaces where checking in is required. Getaway. This means to go on vacation or to escape. Example, we are planning to get away for the weekend. Getaway often implies a short break or escape from daily routines. It's commonly used for vacations or weekend trips. Now, let's look at some work-related phrasal verbs. Take on. This means to accept a new task or responsibility. Example, she decided to take on the new project. Take on suggests accepting or agreeing to handle something, often with confidence. It can refer to projects, tasks, or even new rules. Turn down. This means to reject an offer or request. Example, he turned down the job offer. Here, turn down means to politely refuse and say no. It's often used in professional settings for job or invitations. Carry out. This means to complete or perform a task. Example, the team carried out the research successfully. Carry out indicates that something was done successfully, like a task or experiment. It's often used with actions that require following instructions. That's it for today's video on phrasal verb. I hope it was helpful. Let me know in the comments. If you want more videos like this, Don't forget like, share, comment and subscribe if you found it useful. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.